In this video, I'm going to show you how to jack up the 2010 Ford Escape. I'm going to go ahead and use a jack point that's located on the driver front side. Right when you go underneath, you see the subframe, and you can see that there's reinforced plates right here. So that's where I'm going to put the jack and start jacking it up, and then put a jack stand right there. Don't forget to chock your tires. I like these hydraulic jacks. These Ford jacks are great. I like to elevate the wheel off of the ground, get my jack stand, and then position it near my jack. I'm gonna raise it up to a point where it's just about touching the subframe, but not quite. I'm gonna place it in a location that I like. Then I'm gonna lower my jack real slowly so that the weight goes on the jack stand. You lower your hydraulic jack by twisting it counterclockwise. And then I'm gonna prime my jack up a little bit so it can take some of the weight. So now the weight of the vehicle is on these two components, the jack stand and the jack. And I have redundancy. So now I'm safe to get underneath the vehicle and do the work I need. Hope that was helpful for you. Good luck on your project.